Plant diseases can be devastating to farm crops and home landscapes. The key to treatment is a diagnosis of the problem. An accurate analysis is only possible if a good sample is brought to the county extension office. Paul Deaton, an extension agricultural agent in Clark County, Kentucky, described what's needed for an accurate diagnosis.
Probably the biggest problem that we have is getting the producer, the farmer out in the field, to bring in the correct type of sample. One that has some good plants in it, some that has some bad plants in it, and some that has that in between where they're just getting the disease, so that you have some indication of what's right, what is wrong, and those that are in between.
But why so much material? University of Kentucky Extension plant pathologist Dr. Bill Nesmith explained that much of a sample may be discarded.
Because there's usually a wide variety of organisms involved. Many of those organisms may be secondary invaders and not really the primary cause of the problem. There's usually only a couple pieces of material in the sample that are really critical to the diagnosis, and it's that piece of material that the agent must have in order to make the diagnosis, because we're really looking for certain specific symptoms and sign combinations. When we have that, then we're able to very definitively make a diagnosis.
Dr. Nesmith said that diseased plant samples should be mailed or delivered to the local county extension office. In 90% of the cases, the county agent can make a diagnosis within 24 hours. If the agent needs laboratory assistance, he can send the materials to labs on the University of Kentucky campus or at the Research and Education Center in Princeton. Nesmith says this testing may take from 3 to 10 days, depending on the tests required to identify the problem. He says the farmer or homeowner may then receive a variety of helpful recommendations.
Well, he could get anything from he walks in with a sample. It may be something very routine. The secretary would give him a handout or some sort of publication covering the problem. In many cases, it's a phone call from the county extension agent describing what the farmer should take. In other cases, after it's gone on to the diagnostic lab, it may be a more full formal report along with publications coming back, including tests that were run to confirm what the diagnosis might be.
So what's the key? How do we get the best diagnosis possible?
The best diagnosis will be based on the farmer collecting excellent material that really represents the problem and getting it to the county extension agent's office promptly.
For written information on how to properly collect a plant sample for disease identification, contact your local county extension office. This is Mark Eclov for the UK Cooperative Extension Service.